practice my reading. It was hot. I got the fan. It was hot. The taps was on.
Good job.
I am a zip.
No? How do you read that?
I had
Yep.
a zip.
Good job. Good job. What?
Ned
Ned.
was hot. He ran. What does that say? Ran
Yep.
to the taps.
Yep. No S. Tap.
Tap. Does that say him?
Him.
Him. Zip. I had
Yep.
a dip.
Yep.
And a dip.
Good job. Do you want a bun or a pony?
I want a bun and it's something like here. Ned got my hat. Ned was hot. Mom, where's my other one? Where's my other one? Your birthday.
Just 2 little ones today. Silly mommy.
He had a dip.
I got this from Yes Style.
I want to use it.
I know, it's a Melty Moist Repair Oil. It's a repair oil daw. I'll use it on eyelid.
And me, yeah, you need
Just a
to
little
use
bit.
it. Ew.
Oh, smells good.
Yeah, my
Oh,
hair
that looks good.
Yeah, make it up to
Oh, that smells good.
I can do.
Ang bango. I got that from Yes Style. Razel 10 for 10% off. That smells really good.
Is it for you?
I got it for you, actually.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. I don't use oil on my hair kasi ang nipis ng buhok ko. Perfect.
Mama.
Yeah.
4 more nights and then Easter Bunny's coming to our house.
Ooh, yeah, you gotta tell the guys that.
Guys, because we're going to Bali, Easter Bunny called Mom. Said he was coming in a little bit early.
Yeah.
And I don't really like pink, but I'm going to get pink eggs.
You don't like it pink?
I like blue.
You want blue? Maybe I can tell him. Hopefully he calls me again today. I can tell him that you like blue. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Or do you want to swap with Indy? Indy's having yellow. Do you want yellow instead?
No, blue.
You want blue? Alright, I'm gonna call Easter Bunny and...
See, blue is the most popular.
Okay.
Here.
Hi, come here. Not yet. 4 more sleeps. He's looking for Easter eggs already. Oh, you forgot?
He said 5 weeks.
Oh, it's okay. Come here. You have sports today.
And Ollie didn't cry, guys. Order Easter eggs.
Not yet. 4 sleeps. He said weekend, remember? It's not the weekend yet. It's only Tuesday. You forgot again. Come down.
Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday he called us, remember? We were just talking about it. Come on.
Oh.
Yeah, Isla and I talked about it. Now come. Is Indy awake?
Oh, no.
No?
Daddy's getting in the shower. Daddy's in the shower.
So is Indy in the shower too?
No,
Ah.
that's still sleeping.
Okay, that's good.
And I'll be playing with
Ah, that's good. Ah.
So,
Good morning, Kois.
we're
Where?
hot
Yeah.
and we sat. And Mommy, when I'm done, can I have a little break for my book?
After you finish both, you can have a break. You can draw after you finish. You're almost done. See, you're on page 13.
And okay, and then I can draw after.
I want to eat. Oi! What's that? Kuya trying to shoot you? Don't shoot Didi, Kois. Say it's okay, Kois. Was it an accident, Alo?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just moved it and then shoot it.
Ah, you didn't mean to shoot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I just was out of that. I just turned around, then I just turned around the gun, and then I shoot him.
Okay.
But that's the accident.
Accident, yep.
That's a treasure. I need to have coins.
Okay. Indy? Let's go change. Let's get ready. We're going to Spoots. Spoots! Yay! She's going. Hoy, not yet. Change, I said. Alis na siya, guys. Punta na siyang sports. Naka-ready ka na? Naka-jersey ka na, Day? Yeah, I like your jersey. Huh?
Oh.
It's not on. You need the microphone. Where's your microphone? Do you want me to...
Ah.
Here it is. You press. Yeah. Where's your microphone?
Oh.
Ooh, so cool. Sus, kabuyag-buyaan na. Ay, kabuyag-buyaan na. Ay! Bleh. Hello, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Nahack ang account ni Miss. You guys, nahack ang account ni Sizzy. Yung kanyang YouTube account. Nasa bakasyon pa naman siya. I don't know kung ano na yung sitwasyon by the time this video is up, but yeah, we found out last night, 23rd of March, na she was hacked. Far away. Anyway, let's get ready. Kasi may sports si Arlo mamaya. It's Tuesday. It's 9:01. Kaka 9:01 lang. Baby, nasaan na yung hairstyle package natin, babe? Matagal na yung papunta yung hairstyle package ko hanggang ngayon hindi pa... Ay, hindi pa dumadating. Paalis na tayo. Oh yeah, punta pala kaming Bali. Next week na. Paladi! Yun yung aming Easter holiday this year. So this trip was booked last year pa. We book our trips in advance. Christmas at saka Easter. Pero I don't know about next year yet. Tinitingnan ko. Masyado siyang close sa aming Renmark holiday. Kasi March siya. Hindi man siya pumatong ng April yung Easter next year. So end of March yung Easter next year. Feeling ko parang kaka-Renmark lang natin yan. Which na-book na din namin yung Renmark namin. So hindi ko alam kung saan tayo next year. I still don't know, Didi. Do you know? Where do you wanna go? Yeah, we were gonna go to Gold Coast. Kaya lang nung nagtitingin-tingin ako ng mga resort, wala masyado. Yeah, and then when I looked at Bali, oh my gosh, my options were endless. Like resorts, ang gaganda ng mga resort. Mas maganda pa yung inclusions. Like walang sinabi yung inclusion ng mga resort sa Gold Coast. Mas malaki, mas maraming magagawa, mas mag-i-enjoy yung mga bata doon sa resort na pinili namin sa Bali. But then again, this was booked siguro mga 10 months ago, 11 months ago. So yeah, exciting. What's this? Oh my gosh, school holidays na. Open na ang enrollments for next term for Arlo Sports. Baka mag-sports na naman si Kuya next term kasi wala talaga akong mahanap na jiu-jitsu. Meron magsa-start ng 6 years old. Kaka-4 pa lang ng ating dodong. Yeah, gusto namin jiu-jitsu para kay Arlo eh. What? Are we gonna enroll Arlo na? Open na yung enrollments for next term. Arlo, have you changed? Good boy.
Mama,
Hi.
why?
Oh, good job changing yourself.
I did.
What do you want to do next term? Do you want to fight? Oh, sorry. Do you want to fight?
No, I want to find some Easter eggs.
Oh, yeah, next weekend. That's next weekend.
Ah,
Who's excited for Bali?
me.
Me too. Say bye to the guys. Say bye, guys. Are you wearing this or are you changing?
And
What? Are you wearing this or are you changing?
uh,
Huh? You tell me. You tell me. Do you like wearing this jersey for sports? Yes? Kaya lang pag nadapa ka, masusugatan ka na naman di. Mag-leggings ka di. I know. Leggings ka ha. Yes. Alright, let's go change the clothes. What do you need to do? Say bye to the guys. Bye. See you later. Wait, I'll get you socks. You need socks. Here, Kuya. Here, boys. There on the floor. Sige na. Hindi. Hindi ka man dahil. Sit down. Sit. Ano? Uy, halika na dito. Sit. Socks. Yeah, this one. Shoes. See? For sports. Come on. Good sitting this way. Sit here. Come on. You wanna sit there? Where are you sitting? Hello. Hi. Good sitting. That's it. Yeah. Are you gonna see yourself? Oh, you wanna sit next to Kois? Yay. Ready? Steady. Go. Need help? You got it? Hopefully it's not too busy there. Laki ng tap mo di. Oversized look yummy. Almost done? Oh, Kuya, well done. All done. I need to done. Well, yeah, of course I'll wait for you. Why? Here, let's make it like this. Like that. Oh, so cute! Let me see. Wow! Good. You need help? Okay. I'm ready. He's ready. I like it, dear. Tuck it in a little bit. Like just half a tuck. Half tuck. Half tuck. Yeah.
But you don't have your shoes on, that doesn't count. Yes?
You have done both?
You see?
Good boy.
See the meal.
Yep. Well done. Good job.
I'll do it already.
You did it
Mommy
already.
ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes. Oh my gosh, you did it.
Everyone ready? Yes. Everyone ready?
Yay.
Say yay.
Let's go.
Say
Dang, cool.
yay.
Go. Indy, say let's go.
Let's go.
Kuya's water, snacks, Indy's water, food, nappy.
Snaps.
Not yet. You just had breakfast.
Oh, you.
Yeah. You forgot again?
Please, Mommy, I'm so hungry.
Do you want a banana? I've got a banana for you. Do you want banana now? Yes?
It'll be so yummy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, boys. Let's go.
Thank you, Enemy Pure.
You're welcome.
Banana!
No banana for you, D. I can't watch you, baby. When we stop, okay?
No.
Yeah. Alright, okay, let's play music.
No. Even Baby Shark.
Nah.
Play.
This one. Is it heavy? Maybe put it down for a little bit. Put it down. Yeah, just like rest. Just wait. Okay. You ready? Listen. Not yet. Go! Just hit the ball gently. Good job! Hindi kami. Go, Alo. Go. Good job, Kuis. Uh-oh, your ball is going somewhere. Go get it, quick, quick, run. Yeah, hit the tee. Almost. All right, go get 3, quick. All right. Go, Alo. Okay, just listen, okay? Not yet. Alright, here. Someone's happy. Wala, naglalakad na talaga to. Wala na talaga kaming pram. Yeah, let's go.
Bye for me.
Bye! Napakaingay, di ba? Batang maingay. Go follow her quiz. Careful.
Mommy,
Oh, Didi.
is that so spicy?
Yeah, no, don't touch. Don't touch. Indy, don't touch.
Not
Hala, Baba.
spicy.
Do you want that?
Not
I'll pick it up.
spicy, Mommy.
Put it on your ear. Let's see.
Not
Yeah.
spicy.
Ay, my gosh. Ano ba yun? Disco to eh. Nothing. It's nothing. Yung mami mo, matatakotin sa
You
uod.
want me? No.
I thought there was a worm. It's not a worm. It's not a worm.
That's ticklish.
It's ticklish. Come on, ready, steady. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, you look pretty. Alright, it's 10:41. Let's go home and make lumpia. I want to make some lumpia. Kompleto ang aking ingredients. Who's excited for the lumpia? You? Job. Let's listen to music.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just in the back.
Okay. Guys, we're home and si Indy, kakain na naman siya, guys. Ito is ano, tira ni Arlo. Naubos na niya yung kanya. Yung kanya, syempre, cut. You want some? Indy, do you want this too? And gusto niya to. Dami na niyang kinain. Here. Here. It's okay. I got it. What do you want, Didi? I thought you want your grapes. This one? Go. Arlo, are you sure you don't want to finish these grapes? Nakat ko na lang to. Wala na. Na-distract na siya. Alright, where's your yogurt topper? Good job. Here, good job. You can have this later. So, kumain na siya ng grapes niya. Naubos na niya. And then, kumain siya krusan. Tapos, kumain pa siya nito kanina. Inano ko pa. Kinagat-kagat ko pa para lumiit. Ay, gumawa ako guys na fruit salad. Meron akong fruit salad dyan. Ay, we forgot to turn this on. Any dishes there, guys? Everybody. Na, 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 na. This is for Didi when she wants it, huh? Okay, let's go. Let us start with the gulay. Ay, ang perfect! Ang perfect! Oh, dami kong togay. Yan lang ba? Kamote. Oh, yes. I-ready ko lang itong mga to. Lalagyan ko ba ng meat? Do I have meat? Do I have mince on meat? You guys, I have lobster. Damihan natin ang carrots. And then kamote. First time ko maglalagay ng kamote sa lumpiang gulay. And then we have green beans. Alright, let's start, let's start, let's start! Let's start, let's start, let's start. Let's start, let's start, let's start. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. Happy di? Gaga. Say, let's go. Siguro mababalatan ko yung mga gulay, hiwa. Tapos patulugin natin si Dee. Because Didi needs to sleep. Do you need to sleep, Didi? You need to sleep, Didi. Ay, matrabaho to. Ay, matagal tayo matatapos nito, Dia. Kasi gusto ko, maliliit, maninipis. Tapos meron tayong D. Anong gusto mo? What do you want? Alright, let's get it. What is it? Remote? Tapos manood ka. Di ka naman nanonood. Pinapaon mo lang. You have to watch, okay? Babe, I can see it there. See at the back. There. Naiinis siya. Baby, good job. Lalagay niya yung pajamas ni Kuya sa laundry. So this time, lalakihan ko yung aking lumpia. Hindi ko nahahatiin yung wrapper. Yung buong wrapper talaga. Kasi parang ang sarap ng malaking lumpia. Tapos, pagkagat mo, ang daming gulay sa loob. Guys, kakapatulog ko lang kay D. Tapos ko na din mahiwa-hiwa itong aking mga gulay. Parang ang daming kamote, no? Isang kamote lang yan. So, dinagdagan ko yung carrots. Ginawa kong 5. And ito, isang buong pack ng green beans. And 2 nito. Pero mamaya ko nalutuin kasi hinihintay ko pa si Dan. Nagpabili lang ako ng meat. Kasi sabi ko, dadagdagan ko siya ng meat. And nagpadagdag na din ako ng spring roll wrapper. Ay, feeling ko kasi parang ang dami nito. Parang mapapasabak tayo sa pag-wrap nitong ating lumpia mamaya. Gusto ko pa naman mag-edit sana. Anyway, kain tayong lunch. Hindi ako naka-bread kaninang umaga. Nabisi na tayo. Niready natin si ate sa school. And then nag-ready for sports. At pumunta ng sports. Si Arlo ay kumain na. Gusto ko na itong kainin kasi 1 week daw to eh. And binili to ni Danong sa no Friday. Ayan na nga. Speaking of Danny Boy, he's here. Nagpunta kasi siya ng shops. Na naman. Kain tayo, guys. Hi, Malak. She is sleeping, yeah. When you called me, she was in bed. We were in bed. Thank you. That looks a lot. Ito. Ang dami na naman yung binagbibili. You got coffee? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Ang daming nuts, ah. Were they on sale? The nuts?
Nah.
Oh. You got a lot. You got a lot of tuna, Malak. Babe. Oh. I thought it wasn't coffee bean. Guys, nilabas ang pinakamalakas, pinakamalaki. Let's start. Lagyan natin ang oil. Alright. Isang buong onion talaga. Kasi apakadami nitong ating luluto. And I am very excited about this, you guys. Onion. Garlic. Ubusin ko ba? Ubusin ko na. Ay. Ang bango! Daming garlic. Dinadagdagan ko ng prawns. May nakita akong frozen prawns. So, chinap ko lang. And ilalagay natin. Nilagyan ko din siya ng magic sarap. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Meat pa lang to. Here we go. Let's add the gulay. Oh my God, ang dami nito, guys. Isabay ko na yung carrots at saka yung ano. First time ko maglalagay ng sweet potato. Oh my goodness. Ilagay ko na din yung green beans. Ay, ang dami. Halo-halo. And ayoko siyang lutuin ng bongga para medyo buo-buo pa din siya after i-fry ng lumpia. Pero luto. Pero hindi lang yung lata ba. All done! Yummers! It's good, you guys. It's good. Kain tayo. Dinagdagan ko lang yan na vegeta. At saka naglagay din ako ng asin. Oh my gosh, I'm ready to wrap. Pwede mag-wrap ng isa muna, tapos kain na ako. Pero ang sarap nito. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yummy. Guys, I did 20 and I still have more to go. Hindi pa ako nakakalahati. So, buti na lang talaga, pinadagdagan ko kay Dan. Bumili ako ng dalawa nito, tapos nagpadagdag ako kay Dan ng dalawa pa. So, we still have more in the fridge. But I'm on my second pack of spring roll pastry. Sarap nito, guys. Parang gusto ko na kumain. Sarap sana. Thank you, Lord.
Strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way. Girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say every day you got me hypnotized. Take a shot on the dart. All we got is tonight. So can you call? Cause nobody knows how I fall.
Kakain Kakain na agad ako ng lumpia. Look at my lumpia, you guys. Ang sarap, ang dami. Meron akong malaki dito. Ito yung last kong binalot. Tapos, dinouble balot ko siya. So, dalawa yung wrapper dito. And, meron akong oil dito na naka-ready. And, syempre, kapag lumpiang gulay, dapat vinegar na maraming onion. So, isang buong onion to. I-chop ko pa siya para pinong-pino. And, ang sarap-sarap nito! Lumpia. Spring roll? Yeah. Lagay tayo dito. Hindi ko yan uubusin yung iba niyan. Ilalagay ko sa cling wrap. Pwede yung i-freeze eh. Kasi sayang. Ay, naku. Ready na yung ating oil. Yeah guys, look at that 2 big lumpia. I'm excited. Lagyan natin ng pinakurat ang ating onion. And then, regular vinegar. Then, maglalagay tayo ng pepper. Lagyan ko ng konti pang chili flakes. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lord, for this. Yum. Alright, you guys. I have 2 big lumpias. Kain tayo, guys. Suka. Ay, naglalaway ako. Kanina nagbabalot ako. Sabi ko, tagal naman matapos na ito. Gusto ko na kumain. Kain. Kain, guys. Init pa nito. Mmm. 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 Uy, ang sarap. Ano, crunchy-crunchy pa yung gulay. Uy, buyak, ang sarap. Good job naman, me. Show the guys what. TikTok? Sige, here. Oh wow. Very good TikTok dancing, baby. No, not right now. You're gonna have your dinner now. Ang dinner nila ay chicken schnitzel. Yung plano ko tonight is magluluto ako ng chicken wings, parmesan wings. Kasi akala ko meron kaming chicken sa freezer. Wala pala kaming chicken sa freezer. Naisip namin, uubusin namin kung anong nasa freezer ba. Wala kaming chicken sa freezer. Ang meron namin ay isda pala yun. So now I know meron kaming isda. Nakarap kasi sa papel so hindi namin nakita. Niluluto ko na din yung kay Dan. Kay Dan naman ay beef schnitzel naman. Kasi hindi kumakain na kasi nito eh. Lumalaban na kasi talaga yung ating rice at saka chicken schnitzel ang sa kids. Guys, iba naman yung dinner ko. So meron ako century tuna dito. Kinuha ko lang yung oil. Maglalagay ako ng cucumber. Tapos lagyan ko ng mayo. Just mayo? And then mix, mix, mix. So ito yung dinner ni Dan kagabi. Yung sabi ko, wow, parang sarap naman yan with seaweed. Tapos tumikim ako. Nagustuhan ko siya, guys. So sabi ko, manda yan sa akin bukas. Yan yung i-dinner ko bukas. Pero yung kanya, walang seaweed. Tapos merong lettuce. Nilagyan niya ng lettuce, tuna, at saka cucumber. Yun lang yung dinner niya kagabi. Yung gagawin ko is, meron akong rice doon. Kuha ako ng seaweed, tapos maglalagay ako ng rice sa seaweed. Tapos lagay ko, parang sushi. Alright, here's my rice. Punta na naman yan dito si Di. Kakain na naman yan dito. So, itatry ko muna. Yung kahapon, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng rice. Yung gagawin ko ngayon is, lalagyan ko to ng rice dito. Pa-i-flatten lang. And then, lagay natin to. Ay, parang sarap nito, guys. Ayan. Ha? Yeah. Do you want fruit salad? Yeah, sige. I'll give it to you later. Or do you want it now? Ay! Pwedeng walang rice. Para walang carbs.
You know why I would that because
Hindi pa tayo natatapos sa kainan, you guys. Mag-fruit salad kami ni Danny Boy. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I made this last night. And then ilagay ko siya sa freezer overnight. Kaninang mga noon, nilabas ko siya, nilagay ko sa fridge. It looks so good. Sobrang frozen siya kanina. Hindi makain, so nilagay ko siya sa fridge. Naglalaro sila ng basketball. Maganda yung basketball ring na binigay nila Tristan eh. Actually, hindi ko alam kung binigay yan or iniwan lang muna dito habang I don't know actually. Pero may basketball ring kami dyan sa labas. Tapos gustong-gusto ng kids. Yummy, yummy in my belly. Sobrang simpulan lang nitong fruit salad na to. Fruit cocktail lang. And then cream, condensed milk. Nilagyan ko pala ng extra nata de coco. This is for Danny Boy. This one is for Moa. Balik natin sa fridge. Ang ganda ng ring. Go. Uh-oh. Ano na naman gusto mo, Day? Mag-scooter ka. Magaling kang bata ka. Meron namang nakahubad na Daddy. Go, Koys! Oh! Try eyelash. Go. Oh, well done! That's not how you shoot, but... Is it good, my love?
A little bit cold.
Do you want me to microwave it? Daddy wants to microwave fruit salad. Is that a good idea, Didi? Happy day! Yung dalawa, ayaw itry. Si Didi, wala. Nakailang subo na yung aking Didi na. Happy day! Ito naman, sayaw ng sayaw. Happy day! Nakailang balik na yan dito. Yay! Ganyan dapat. Tinatry lahat, di ba, Di? Chanel. Okay. Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
So, sila na talaga. Hindi ko ma-vlog si Arlo. Pwede naman, i-ano ko siya, i-blur. Nakaubad, guys. Hubot-hubad ang akin dodong to, ara. Sus, buyag. Oh my gosh. I am looking at you, you silly boy.